Take that. Ah, I'm getting annoyed. Stop running. What? No, like literally, what? Out like a firework. Do, 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 do. Hey, wanna see something go boom? I meant it firework wise, idiot. What is that puny soul gonna do to me, mate? I'm Firework Cookie, and I'm the holder of the Color Power Crystal. Nice to meet you. Let's not go back on my past and think about the future. I'm sorry, can you, say that again? Look into my purple eyes. Woo. Hey, don't touch that. Don't touch that either. No, no, no. Ugh. Hi. How can I help you? I went out like a firework. Wow, we destroyed them like an exploding firework. You're being held by a thread, and I'm not. I've escaped solitary confinement, but I'm still being puppeted like a toy. Please, back away. I am not in the mood. Shadow Milk Cookie, my puppeteer. I am like a puppet that is stuck and forgotten, who can't escape. I am only out for today. I have a job to do. Don't annoy me with your I don't know. Please stop it. This instant. I am blindfolded for a reason. Can I go home now? Strings are tighter. We won. Yippee.